Today we are playing video games.
We're playing Crew 2.
Yeah, we're playing Crew 2, and we're gonna have some fun. Super Siah's trying to teach me how to play, because I don't really know how to play car games. I'm always crashing into the walls and making the cars explode and stuff. So he's gonna teach me, okay? He has what? How many cars you said you had?
16.
16 cars? How do you get all those cars?
Because you see those books, I had like 16 million or something.
16 million? Oh, hold on. I think he's talking about over there. He has 19,000 bucks. I think it says bucks, whatever it is.
It is bucks.
Yeah, so he has 19. So that's how you do it. You buy it.
Yeah, you have to buy the car.
Can we see your cars?
Okay. It's right in here. So, first car.
Okay, let's see.
This car. 1.
1.
2.
Ooh, it's a Porsche.
It's not a Porsche.
Oh, what is that?
I didn't know.
Oh,
But
it looks like a Porsche.
this car.
A Camaro.
No.
What is it? They're fake Camaros?
No.
Those are fake real cars? So what's the next one? It looks like a Jeep. Oh, Jeep. That's a Jeep.
Jeep.
Okay.
Mustang.
Okay, that's a Mustang.
Camaro.
That is not a Camaro.
That is.
Oh, that's a Camaro. The black one is a Camaro.
Yeah, this one is a Camaro and this one is a Camaro.
Oh, I like.
And the first one is a Camaro too.
Oh, but the black one. Let me see the black one again. Look at the gold rims, you guys. That's so cool. Did you make that yourself?
Yeah.
I-
This one has gold rims too.
Oh, that's awesome. So what's the next one?
A motorcycle, B.E.A.M motorcycle. This car,
A Cadillac.
Cadillac. Motorcycle.
A
drift car.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
And this is the car that I was just customizing.
Oh, okay.
This car, which it can do a wheelie.
A Willy.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then this car. Two off-road cars.
Oh, 2 monster truck looking cars.
And then my last one is a motorcycle, a dirt bike.
Wow.
All 16 cars.
Oh, that's a lot of cars. You guys, he's gonna be teaching me how he got all those cars, and we're gonna have an awesome day. It's Mommy Sunday. I said Mommy Sunday. It's Mommy and Sunday. We're gonna just be chilling in his room today because I have nothing to do. I'm not cooking, so it's gonna be fun.
This one was the first car that I bought. The first one.
Oh, the Mustang's the first?
Free.
Oh.
Free.
How do you get the monies?
So you have to do races and win.
All right, so.
Sometimes some of them have to be like second place, first place.
All right, so let's go. Let's play.
So first car I'm gonna be trying is this one. See how you get. Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
My TV turned off.
What's going on?
The TV turned off.
I thought it was just changing screens or something.
The TV just turned off.
What's going on? Whoa, Siah, look. Look at the screen. Who is that?
The gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man. That's how he looks?
Yes.
Let's hide. Oh, no.
I feel like he's gonna say something.
What? Hold on, wait. Okay, all right.
Hello, Super Siah. It's me, the gingerbread man. So we finally meet. I think you know why I'm here and who sent me. Today, I have an exclusive challenge for you. Now I see you like PlayStations and playing video games. Well, I'm taking your PlayStation and I have a new game for you to play. You're gonna play with this little toy I have here. And if you can get 1,000 points, you'll get your PlayStation back. But if not, I'll be turning your room into a, let's say, a blizzard snowstorm. Now, let's see if you can beat my challenge.
Please, we're gonna do this challenge if you're trying to make us do a challenge.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do whatever you want. We'll just do the challenge. Just don't turn this room into a snow blizzard. I don't like the cold.
Yeah, me either.
All right. Okay, gingerbread man. Okay, he took your PlayStation, so we gotta go get that thing out there. Do you think he's gone?
I think he is.
All right, because I don't hear him anymore. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go get that. All right. Okay, so go get that and bring it here. We need to see what is this game that you have to play. Come on. Open it. He's not. No, I think he's not coming back, so open that.
How do you open this thing? How fun do you open it?
What is it even? What do you have to do with it?
I think it's a challenge thing.
A gingerbread challenge? Yeah, we already know that.
I think he's trying to say something. Maybe he wants us to do maybe like 30 hoops.
What? 30 hoops? It looks like he wants us to do...
Well, I think 100.
The 100 points is up there. Look at it. Open it.
Yes.
All right, so that means he wants us to get it through Santa's mouth 10 times. 10 times, Super Kid. Could you do it?
Yes.
All right, come on. We got to put this up somewhere. I need to set it up.
I'm great to set it up.
Where are we going to put it?
Over here. Go on, Santa.
Oh, you know what? We can definitely put it in your dresser or something so that way it goes into a wall. I'm going to set that up, okay? All right, so Super Kid, I think I should play this game.
No, you get to play with the Grinch.
Okay, I did the Grinch challenge yesterday, but I won. I think I can win this for you. You don't want me to play?
I can win.
You think you can win?
Yes.
Let me see some energy.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I think you can win. All right, so look, he said that we need to get 1,000 points. That means you have to get either 10 balls into Santa mouth or you have to get 20 into Snowman guy's mouth. So I don't know when he's gonna come back. I don't know if this is a time thing or something, but you gotta do it and you gotta do it fast. So can I count on you?
Yes.
High five. All right, Super Kid, you have 1 minute on the clock. I need you to do this, okay? Because I don't want a blizzard in here, okay?
Yes.
All right, go. 100, 100. Oh, 50. Okay, 50. That's good. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, you almost had it. I don't have any more. Oh, yeah, I do have. Here.
50.
Come on. Get the balls. Hurry up.
Oh, 10.
All right, come on.
100.
Come on. Don't forget to come right here. Yeah. Oh, come on. Get the balls. 30 more seconds. Come over here. Oh, no, I can't get that ball. Come on, go. Oh, no. We're not going to make it. Oh, my God. I don't want a blizzard. Oh, my God, Super Kid. You got to be better than this. Here. 10, 60 points. That's far away from 1,000. I don't have any more. 7 seconds. Here. Let's go.
50.
Oh, come on. 50 is not enough. You need... Oh, man. Siah. The blizzard. We're going to be freezing. Super Kid, I thought I could trust you with this game. So what are we going to do? He's going to bring a blizzard storm into here. Oh, no. Okay, guys, you won't believe this. Guys, hold on, look, wait. Shh. Guys, wait. I think he's outside the door. Oh no, not a blizzard storm. Come on. Oh, gotta go on this side of the bed. Alright, let's hide. Siah, where are you? I can't see you. Alright guys, we're gonna hide in this cover. Where are you, Super Kid? He's under the bed, guys. We're hiding now. So he won't be able to make it. It's getting cold in here. Oh no. We need to fight him off. Come on, let's throw those at him. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, get him. Get him, Super Kid.
Get sick over here.
Come on. It's cold. Ooh, so cold. Get him. Get him. You won't get us, gingerbread man.
I can. Oh no.
Oh no.
Nina! No. Oh, yes, thank you.
Go away, gingerbread man. Come on. We can do this. Duck.
Watch me. I'm the gingerbread.
Yes!
Ooh, so cool. Super kids. The gingerbread man.
I'm about to get sick right now.
Yeah, gingerbread man literally just disappeared. I don't know where he went.
But we both hit him in the face though.
Yeah, we did hit him with the snowballs. But he took your PS4.
Yeah.
And he left this big snow blizzard all inside of Super Siah's room. Oh, and it's so cold. You guys, let us know in the comment section if you guys seen him on anybody else's channel or something. Maybe have any clues over there on how we can maybe get our PlayStation back. I don't know. But we gotta go figure this out, guys. Catch you next time, Super Kids. Deuces. Bye.
I'm gonna stay here.